Hello viewers, welcome. Today I will show you beautiful white peacock. The white peacock is just as lovely in beauty. Its feathers and appearance is nearly exactly the same as its colorful counterpart, except its feathers are white. The white peacock pans out its white trend to display its feathers, revealing a cloud of white magnificence. The all-white color of a peacock is a trait of beauty among a species of beautiful birds. A white version of an animal can be found in nearly any species, but the white peacock is not an albino. Peacocks were actually a delicacy in medieval times. White peacocks are not found in the wild. Patches of white would make the peacocks more visible to predators. This sometimes occurs with fat birds or animals. There is a variety of white color patterns. Peacocks are striking in their beauty. If a bird enthusiast wishes to admire a member of this species, the white peacock is stunning in its white color. The peacock is an exquisite bird. Never did a bird have more of a right to display its vanity. The peacock is extraordinary with its vivid colors and uniquely shaped feathers. Thanks for watching.